Come on. Darla.
Darla, come on. Run.
Make sure we're making a lap.
Come on. Aiden, what are you trying to grab? Go. She's hilarious, huh?
Okay, Darla. She's out of practice. You sure you're okay, Darla?
Mommy sees what you're up to. You want to try to get on a leash. Careful, don't fall on the cement, baby.
Get that dog.
Darla!
She ran out of that energy. She can't even get up. He just loves her. So no leaf.
Just let him get it. Let's wait and see. Maybe he won't put it in his mouth. You don't need to taste it. What is it? Is it a leaf? Oh, and it went for the mouth.
He's gonna go get another one. Look at that motor skill. Constant battle.
You see why I wanted that picnic blanket for when I take him to... Aiden, now you're just teasing Daddy with it. Okay, Darla, can you run anymore? We going inside?
Come on.
You gotta keep that baby entertained.
Go. She's done.
Okay, smile for me, Daddy. Whoa! Careful, Daddy. Okay, Darla, come on, we're going in.
Come on.
Boys, give me a little smile. I love you guys. Aiden, I love you, my little goomies. Okay, Darla, come on, we're going in.